When you run into errors, someone is willing to chip in and help you to solve the bug before it bugs you.
Personally, I'm an introvert. Mixing up with people and having to talk with them freely, getting my idea out there, it has been a little bumpy, but I love the progress and how it's going.
The first day of the hackathon has been actually awesome, meeting different people with different minds and looking at the solutions and hearing the solutions that other people are working on.
There's a lot that I'm gaining from the speakers that started and from the group activities that we are doing. And I feel it's very relevant for me based on some of the individual tasks and research work that I'm doing, where I have to really support with large language models.
I have loved the experience, especially the collaborative aspect. It's been amazing meeting new people and working together.
There's a lot of brainstorming of new innovative ideas. So I can say it's more of energizing and interesting.
So super interesting to see the different ways that you can incorporate AI and large language models to infectious disease data.
I build RAG all the time, so getting to know new ways to optimize RAG is something I'm quite interested about.
I've loved the talk around RAGs. Actually, it's my first time dealing with RAGs, and I've seen it's a potential career exploration that I could take.
I love that you guys have mentors.
I'm helping out, walking around, looking at how they're solving different problems and offering advice where I can.
I'm coming here to share some insight, also engaging with participants to understand how they are approaching this problem in terms of architecture, in terms of best practices.
I love how the notebook was organized, how we had, guidance. And I love the mini workshops in between. Keeps it not just hack, but you're also gaining a lot.
The tools that we already have here are new to me. I've never used them before, but getting to use them and getting to familiarize myself with them, that is one of the parts that I already like in this hackathon so far.
Well, one discussion that has really stood out for me is the discussion around responsible AI and how to make AI more inclusive.
Everyone is open to sharing their idea. There is open communication. The mentors are friendly. When you call them and ask them about a specific question or a specific blocker that you're facing, they are open to sharing how you can do that.
It's a dynamic team with people with different technical skills, and so we are complementing each other.
This experience has been quite challenging, looking at the aspect that we are coming from different backgrounds, but we have been able to lay a specific ground where we can all raise and win the competition.
I liked the experience very much because it was engaging and I got to learn even.
I have come to learn from people in diverse backgrounds and also collaborating together and reflecting on what the project we are working on needs has been awesome.
Looking forward to networking more and getting to learn more, and also looking forward to winning.
I'm looking forward to the best projects that will be brought out and also to interact with our folks in the AI industry. I'm looking forward to more opportunities in the future, more collaboration.
Getting more mentorship and more help in debugging errors.
I love that we're building practical solutions that would actually be used, because I realize most people don't need AI backend. We actually want to see more products than less models.
I'm looking forward to seeing these ideas solve problems.
In the bigger picture, hackathons like this can really help people know about the scientific literature that already exists and use them to their own benefit for both technical and non-technical people.
I'm seeing this one as part of the initiative that could be able to drive that data evidence for funding.
There's quite a lot of things that we don't cover at school, but I'm finding them in this hackathon. So I believe this will really come in handy even in me building my personal project.
It's a definite impact already. I can actually see how I'm going to integrate it into the models that I'm working on.
I'm going to work on how I can leverage on using the LLM to extract information that our end users might need.
I think it will expand my network with a mixture of experts from different fields and also expose me to real-world case scenarios, for example, the ones we are working.
What we are currently using is making, retrieval of documents a bit faster. I think that is going to help us in our company to, move faster when it comes to retrieving therapy data to WhatsApp and things like that. Yes.
Hackathons like this bring out participants to showcase their strengths, help lift each other up in the various teams, and ideally in the end it will contribute to the overall democratization of AI and machine learning skills and AI machine learning tools, and further help the global south solve problems that would ideally be best solved using AI and machine learning.
What I'm hoping is the hackathon is going to help us in nature finance and also ultimately governments and finance institutions design better, more finely attuned financial instruments that are triggered on, for example, indicators and signals coming from ecosystems and outcomes for the economy as a whole. And what we want to do is see an equal partnership, an equal prioritization between outcomes for ecosystems and the people who live in them and for economic growth.